Here we have a brand new 2023 Transit Trail. This is an all-wheel drive, high roof extended, 3.5 EcoBoost van ready for overlanding. See, she's got the running boards, nice black wheels, all-terrain tires, front fog lamps. Let's check out the old spec sheet. As you can see, she is a 23 350 high roof, all-wheel drive cargo, 148 wheelbase. This is the extended length, 3.5 EcoBoost V6 gas engine. Let's look at all these extras. Of course, she's an abyss gray color, the 3.5 EcoBoost, the limited slip axle, the rear compartment lighting, front license plate bracket if you live in a front plate state, the 253-degree rear opening. We'll check that out. 9,500 gross vehicle weight rating package, the B-pillar assist handles, Transit Trail package. See all that there. Privacy glass, it's got the side sensing, extended fuel tank, the 31-gallon, the dual alternators, 250 amp, the upfitter package, dual batteries, large center console, trailer brake control, the roof vent fan, 2 extra keys, giving you 4 in total. You got the vinyl mats and the 6 speakers. Let's check her out. See here, she's got the short arm power mirrors. It's got the turn signal indicators and a very good blind spot mirror. This is the cloth seats with the driver and passenger captain's chairs. Let's go on in. You can see you got your big Sync 4 12-inch screen. Top, you got a lightning charger and USB. There's your large center console, the USB 12 volt. I'm sorry, up there, that is a lightning charger and 12 volt. It's not a USB up there. Down here you have your trailer brake control and your upfitter switches. Up top, there's your overhead shelf. Let's get on in here and move around. Check her out. Here's the inside. See up here, she's got the LED lighting. There's your vent fan at the roof. Review your overhead shelf and your seating. Get your 1 passenger side slide door. And your rear glass, that is heated, of course. This is manual slide, not power. Closing her up. Around to the back. See this? You know she's got the 253-degree opening. This door will come all the way around, and magnet here. This will connect up to there. As you can see, she is a Transit Trail 350 all-wheel drive EcoBoost. See, if the privacy glass, nobody can see in, but you can see out, of course. This is heated glass. And up top, you have your high-mounted backup cam. This is a very hard to find, highly loaded out overlanding machine. This is fresh from the plant. Available for purchase.